Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake mousse. First, ensure your cream cheese is at room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth, lump-free base. Beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to really bring out those delicious flavors. This forms the rich foundation of your mousse. Next, we'll prepare the whipped cream. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream until it forms beautiful, stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, the key is to be gentle. Take about 1/3 of your whipped cream and carefully fold it into the cream cheese mixture. This lightens the base before you add the rest, ensuring a consistent, airy texture. Once all the whipped cream is folded in, your cheesecake mousse is almost ready. Carefully spoon the mixture into your chosen serving dish or individual ramekins. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. You'll need to chill the mousse for a minimum of 4 hours. This allows it to set beautifully, achieving that perfect, light, yet stable texture. Before serving, add your favorite garnishes like fresh berries or chocolate shavings. Here are some tips to elevate your cheesecake mousse. For a brighter, zesty flavor, try adding 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon or orange zest to your cream cheese mixture. You can also create delicious variations by folding in fruit purees like raspberry or mango, or even a bit of melted chocolate. Don't forget to check the description below for links to other great deals and to learn more about the Echo Dot smart speaker. Enjoy your homemade, delightful cheesecake mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.